Hey, hi, I'm Jim. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait a minute. I was in the basement and need a mask so I could dig through because we have a mold problem downstairs. Much better. Yeah. So, hi, I'm Jim Shafitz. I've geez, been, I've known Scott for about a decade, and I spent almost half my life in the pharmaceutical biotech industry, and he wanted me to make a video about mRNA vaccines for some of his friends who are concerned about it. So currently there are two mRNA vaccines in the market. One's by Pfizer and the other one is by Moderna, which is located in Massachusetts, and its corporate headquarters are in Cambridge, home of Goodwill Hunting, MIT, Harvard, and the manufacturing facility where all the exciting stuff happens is in a city called Norwood, Massachusetts, about 20 or so miles southeast of it. So at the manufacturing plant, they make the mRNA, which is microscopic, and they put it into these basically little round fat bubbles called liponanoparticles, so it can go into the cell easier. I won't bother you with cell membrane biochemistry. So once it gets into the cells, it goes to this place in the cells called the ribosomes, and at that point the liponanoparticles, or LNPs, they dissolve. The mRNA is free to float and goes to the ribosomes and instructs them to make a certain protein, which in this case is the spike protein, which you probably know all too well on TV. It's those little barbs sticking out of the coronavirus. So once that occurs, the protein is made and it's programmed for the cells to recognize it as foreign and to provoke an immune response in which white blood cells and antibodies are produced. And RNA is inherently very unstable, so like a Snapchat or a Post-it that you rip up, within a few hours of having delivered the message, the mRNA pretty much breaks down and is no further use to the cell. Basically, it's one and done. And one needs two shots for these mRNA vaccines. First, to sort of prime your immune system, bring it up to about 50%. And the other second shot brings it up to anywhere from 90 to 95%. So for another analogy, think of it as the first injection from an old pull mower. You pretty much push it, sort of primed your engine, and then with the second shot, you pretty much pull the cord and your lawnmower starts and you're ready to cut some grass. So that's pretty much mRNAs in a nutshell for the vaccines. And also, the ribosomes are nowhere near the nucleus where all the genetic material of the cell is produced and located. So if you have any questions, Scott has my contact information. Chris, I hope you understood all of that. He said you were one of the more... Never mind what he said. So take care and have a great day, and I hope this helped.